G'day and welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button for me and click on the notification bell and set it to receive all notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. We're back here with the CT110 and we are going to have a bit of a look at see if we can do something about getting it going today. So I've had a bit of a think about what I'm the best plan of attack, and we're going to check, see how much compression it's got, see if it's got any spark. We might even pull the battery out of it and see if we can get that charged up. It should run just off the CDI module if everything's going okay, but yeah, we might even throw some fuel on and see if we can get him to go. But we'll see where we get to. First port of call is going to be go and grab some tools, and we'll rip that spark plug out, wind him over, make sure it's doing everything it should do, and then see about getting some spark. This one runs the 19mm spark plugs in it. Both of my spark plug sockets were, one was too big and one was too small, so I've ended up with a impact 3/4 socket which fits the spark plug. And it actually doesn't look too bad. It's a bit black and gummy in there, but it hasn't got any bits missing, which is a good start. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my finger over the spark plug hole and I'm going to wind it over and see. I can feel there's some compression coming out the spark plug hole when I wind it over. It's a pretty good start. This spark plug, this could have been a bit of a problem. These spark plug boots have got a bit of a screw in the end of them, so sometimes you can screw them back on if they've just come loose. Turn the key to on. I can see there's actually spark jumping across the gap in the spark plug with it resting against the side of the head there as I kick it over. So the bike has got spark when the key's on, and so I'll get a bit of fuel, throw some fuel in the tank and see how we go. Righto, so I've had one of my shop assistants come back with some fuel, and we'll throw a bit of fuel in the fuel tank. So we'll get some fuel down to the carby, and hopefully we can fire it up and see if we can get him to go. so I've just filled him up just higher than filled it up just higher than the main, excuse me, fuel outlet that I could see in the tank. So there's a little tube sticking up through the main part, and then the reserve comes directly at the bottom of the tank. So the last little bit of fuel is your reserve. So that's on main there now. We should be getting fuel running down into the carby. If we lever this off, we should be able to see fuel. Just like that. So we've got fuel getting down onto the tap. So we should have fuel getting into the bowl of the carby. Choke on. Spark plug back in. So if we kick this thing over a few times, see if we get some fuel through. Well, there you have it, she's up and running. How good was that? And simple, all it did was put fuel in it.